In this video, we're going to talk about how do you maximize your earnings from Facebook bonus program. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, now let's jump into my Facebook and we'll talk about Facebook bonus program. By the way, this is a newer monetization option or feature from Facebook where you can get paid for posting content, videos, images, links, even text posts. So how do you access this? It's an invitation only, but if you've been invited and if you're accepted, you're gonna go to your professional dashboard. So this is one of my profiles, and let's find professional dashboard, which is right here. And now you are gonna go inside, scroll down. Here is all the data. Ooh, we are doing good in last 28 days because we've been posting a lot of content, a lot of reels. Now go inside monetization, and then here you're gonna see on the top, you're gonna see the tools, the monetization features your page or profile is in, and then at the bottom you're gonna see all the programs for those you are not eligible yet. So this profile is not eligible for ads and reels, which is another awesome monetization feature or program. Let's go inside bonuses, and what we want to see is, for example, you can see it's not a huge number, 16 bucks, but still it will give us a window into, we'll be able to see what type of content we need to post more if you want to make more money from the bonus program, if you want to maximize our earnings. So once you go into your performance dashboard of the bonus, click on see all, because that's where the magic is. That's where the answer is. What should you post to make more money from the bonus, Facebook bonus program? Now here's all, and you can see all the posts that I've done and how much money they've made. This one, $4, or actually $5, $1.63. If I click on videos, you can see on this profile only one video and it didn't make anything, right? Let's go to images. So a bunch of images, and yeah, 76 cents, 67 cents, and some are, and by the way, some of these are probably still counting, because one thing I've noticed, your money, your income, your payout shows up sometimes after a few days. It's based on the engagement that you're getting, right? So let's say if you posted something and you didn't get a lot of engagement right away, you may not see any numbers here. But okay, let's move on to the next content type, text. And boom, look at these numbers of $5, 163, 149. So you can clearly see text post is the simple text that you enter on Facebook. It's not videos, it's not images, it's not link, it's just simple text. And looks like on this profile, text posts are making the most income. So if I want to make more money, what type of content should I post? Yes, text, that's the right answer. Now links, I don't think I've posted any, so we're not going to see anything there. Now let's go back and let's verify, because if I was to go based on data from this one profile, it looks like we should post text post more to make more income. But now let's go to another page. This page also has the bonus program, and let's go to the professional dashboard because I want to see if it's consistent on this page. Now let's go to professional dashboard, and then scroll down and find the monetization, not the inspiration hub. I want to find the monetization tools, and now bonuses. And then on this page, our bonus might be a little bit higher because this is a bigger page. Yeah, so you can see 44 approximate bonus. Look at this. I wish the Reels Play bonus comes back, because this page used to make $3 grand, $3,600, $3,200. Some really good income from this page when the Reels Play bonus was available. But that program, that monetization is no more. Now we have performance bonus. So let's go inside here. And now same thing, I'm gonna click on see all, because I'm trying to understand, we are trying to understand how can we boost our earning, what do we need to post. So same thing here, let's go to videos and see if there's any performance bonus. So it looks like last few days or 30 days we haven't posted any videos, which seems accurate because most of the content we're posting on our pages is reels. Number 2, we're posting images, and number 3, we're posting text. Those are the 3 type of content we're posting. Let's go to images, and you can see, yeah, some of these images. This image made $4. This image was posted yesterday. It has already made $3. So this could make in a couple of days. This could make a lot more. And you can see all the income, all the images, and how much money they've made. Now let's go to text. and boom, look at this. So pretty consistent with what we saw on this page. The second page, it's telling us the same thing. Text post, $5, $323, $278, $271, yeah. So looks like and the links, probably nothing because we haven't posted any links. So looks like on these two pages that we looked at, profile and a page in professional mode, if we want to make more money from the Facebook performance program, we should post more text posts. And what are these text posts? Let me actually show you because it'll make much more sense. Let me go back to the page and I'll find it's a simple text that you enter with the colored background. That's the text. This is right here. Simple question with the background. And if you create these type of posts, that's what's getting a lot of engagement and making money. So I'm going to show you, if I go here and let's just say I say test, and then you can select different type of colors or backgrounds and then click on post. Those are the simple text posts that are making more income or more revenue from Facebook bonus program. If you have any questions about Facebook monetization, the bonus program, or ads and reels, just in general making money, more money on Facebook, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video, and let's learn about the best side hustle for 2024 and beyond. I think this is the best way to make passive income. It's actually not passive, I shouldn't say passive, but make good side hustle income using this. So let's watch that video together. Bye for now.